Scale adjustment for vinyl cutters. In this example, we are designing a 500 by 500 millimeter square. So we start the cutting or plotting, and in this case we are doing plotting because with the plotting pen we are able to see the design better. And when that's done, we physically measure the design. What we find is that instead of 500, the X scale is actually 485 millimeters, and the Y scale is 523 millimeters instead of 500. So, how do we fix this? Now, as per default settings, vinyl cutters have a value of 1000 units for both the X and the Y scale. So, we need to take the real value, which is what we measured in reality, 485 on the X scale, and divide that by the theoretical value, the value that we wanted in theory, which is 500. Then we need to do some maths, some simple cross multiplication to get a new default value. And when we do that, our new default value, as you can see, is 1031. Now do the same for the Y scale, and the new default value for the Y scale is now 956. And now that we know what the value of the X and the Y scales should be, we can start with the scale adjusting. For the V series and the V series plus, do the following. Press setup twice to get to the default scale settings. Now use the yellow plus and minus keys to adjust the Y scale up or down. Then use the blue plus and minus keys to adjust the X scale up or down. And that is it. You have just reset the scale settings to a new default. So just press the setup button a few times to get you back to the speed and force, and away you go. For the V-Smart, V-Smart Plus and V-Auto, however, you will need to download a scale calculator from cncu.co.za. Follow the link of whichever machine you have, download the calculator, and then launch it. Of course, make sure that your computer is connected to your vinyl cutter. For the V-Smart and the V-Smart Plus, your first step is to select stepping motor in the type drop-down menu. For X theory, type in the value that you actually want, 500, right? Now, where it says real, type in the value that you really got, which is 485, right? Now go to the bottom button and press calculate, and there you go, you have a new theoretical value right here at the bottom. And in the Y theory, type in what you really wanted, which was 500. In the Y real, type in the value that you physically got, which was 523. Then press the calculate button at the bottom, and you have your new value over here in the bottom right. Once you're happy with that, press the set scale on both the X and the Y scale, and this will automatically update the machine with these values, thereby resetting the machine's default values to these new values. Note, however, that in the case of the V-Auto, for step number 1 in the type drop-down menu, you need to select servo motor. Other than that, it's exactly the same. And there you go. Now you know how to do the scale adjustment on your vinyl cutter.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Kumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine, I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.